Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to my channel. Thanks for returning. Family, today I want to share with you how I make my simple corned beef pie, and I hope you like it. Please stay to the end and be inspired. Don't forget to also share, comment, like the video, okay? Help your girl spread the word, alright? And if it's your first time on the channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. I hope you'll be inspired to join this amazing family, and I'm hopeful you will not regret it. Okay, without further ado, family, let's begin. In a bowl, I'm adding 8 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour. Okay, and then after that, go ahead and add all my dry ingredients. And I've got baking powder, I've got milk powder, onion powder. I love me some onion powder. Yeah. Next, I've got salt. I've got brown sugar. You can as well use the white sugar. Yeah, I'm also going ahead to grate some nutmeg for flavor. You can use cinnamon powder or any other flavor of your choice. I'm using my spoon to mix it, but it's not going well, so I'm using my hand to do the proper mixing, okay? Make sure your hand is so clean for this process. I'm making it well in the middle, and I'm adding my butter. Lovelies, I'll leave the link of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. Check them out at your own convenience, okay? Please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. Know your thoughts about the recipe, okay? After mixing everything properly, this is how the texture of the pie crust should be, sort of sandy-like. And now I'm making a well in the middle to add chilled fresh whole milk, and you can as well use water, okay? That is fine. Or you can use evaporated milk, or you can mix both the whole milk and the evaporated milk, okay? Now mix it well. You can use your left hand to support the right hand, like I'm doing, and make sure your left hand is also as clean as the right hand, okay? And now I've molded the pie crust into a round shape. Not a perfect round shape though, but it's fine. I'm going to cover it with my cling film, and I'll take it into my fridge for some time whilst I make my filling, okay? So family, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, alright? Kindly do so to support your girl, okay? So now we're going to make our corned beef filling, and into the frying pan I've added my corned beef. I'm not adding oil because there is fat in the corned beef and it's the whitest bit in there. When the oil is too much, then it's advisable you drain some out of the corned beef. But if it's not too much like mine, I'll just go ahead and add my onion, just like so, and I will stir to mix everything together. Ooh, the flavor is already amazing. Lovely. For more flavor, I'm going ahead to add my complete herbs and natural seasonings. And I love the flavor. I'm adding water to loosen up a bit because it's too thick for my liking. Keep on stirring family until well combined. It's been about 5 minutes already and the flavors have really doubled up, if not tripled up. I love this. I'm going to cover it up for it to cool off completely, and now I'm back and adding my red bell pepper and scallions. So cool. I'm adding the scallions and the red bell pepper at this stage because I want them fresh and crunchy in my pie. Wow, so my filling is so ready to be used. Now family, let's go ahead and bring our pie crust from the fridge. So we are back and it's time for us to roll and cut them out into any shape of our choice. Okay, keep watching family and go nowhere. I've just cut them into two, and now I'm going to work on the first half and then the second half later. Okay, so now add flour so that the pie crust do not stick onto the rolling pin. Now this side is well done, so I'll flip it over and roll on the other side also, okay? So far, I love the thickness of the pie crust. So I'm going to roll on this side as well. And when it's fine, I'll just cut them out into a square shape, just like so. You can cut them into circles or any shape of your choice, okay? Keep on cutting until you are done with all of the pie crust, okay? So I'll bring the pieces together, mold them into one, and use a rolling pin to flatten them out and cut them out like the previous process, okay? Now this is water and brush, and I'm going to use the water at the edges of all the pie crust. So I'm going to roll the pin to stretch the pie crust a little bit and apply water at the edges. And now my filling. Adding the water will help seal the edges properly, okay? Now use your index finger to make a beautiful design at the edges of the pie, just like so. Or you can use a fork to make the design at the edges, okay? It's all by choice and preference. Now let's set this aside and repeat ourselves until we are done with all of the pie crust. Okay? Family, please go nowhere. Stay till the end and be inspired. Don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. Help your girl spread the word, okay? Support your girl by sharing the video for others to see, okay? And also, if it's your first time on the channel, you are warmly welcome. Please subscribe to join this amazing family, and I'm so sure you'll not regret it. Okay? So soon we are all done with our fillings, and look how beautiful they all look. Wow. So next thing is to add glossiness and beauty to the top of the pies. So I'm going to mix egg white together with evaporated milk. You can as well use them individually and you will be good. But I want it together because I love top-notch recipes. I'm bringing the bits of the egg yolk in the egg white out and I'm adding my evaporated milk, mixing everything together nicely, and then now I'm going to add it to the top of the pie. But before that, I'm poking some holes into the sides of the pie. You can as well poke the holes on top of the pie directly, and it's all fine. Just make your designs as you wish, like or want. Okay. Ooh, this pie smells so good and is so rich. The filling is amazing. The salt, everything in it is so perfect. I love this recipe and I hope you give this a try and bring me the feedback very soon. So after this, I'm going to put them in the oven and bring them back. Ooh, here we are. Our rich and extremely delicious corned beef pies are all done. Check them out. Beautiful. They are all ready. And wow. The flavor and the aroma in the house is so heavenly. Family, you need to be here. This is a must try recipe. Don't just watch the video. So far, I hope you've been inspired because I am really, really amazed with the results. Please, for more of my videos, follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thank you all for watching till this point. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Ooh, yummy! Delicious! I love this.
Hello, lovelies. Can you subscribe to my mom's channel and help her get to 20K subscribers? Thank you.